It's called Big Up to You.
Big up to me, first of all, for not giving up, not giving in. Fuck you to all that fights against me, my ex. Shame on you.
I'm coming for the assholes who knew the old me. I'm not the same me anymore. The old me is dead, R.I.P. no worries. You will see him in heaven if you make it. Big up to everyone, cause you still here. Live your best life. Big up to all of the women, them who don't keep the kids from the baby daddy. Despite the separation, respect to you, keep doing right by the youth, them. Big up to man, them who gets no praise for being the best daddy. Keep showing up, Jaja sees you.
Big up to the boss woman, them.
Find a man, that's okay, start from nothing. Build that dream life, screw the bad mind people, them who want 6 figures and don't sweat for it. Build with your family, don't look for fame and the glitter, that no sense, that's a killer. Big up to mama and papa, loving you for giving me life. Thank for the creative genius in me. Big up to my brothers and sisters, from Peter to Lloyd to, from Marie to Marcia, aka the Trini. Big up to the elders, Sonia, Yvonne, Sharon too. Can't forget about June and Tibby, Eyes, Carlton too. We miss you, bro, it's lonely without you. Big up to all my friends for good and the bad times, I love all of you.
To whom I forget, bless your hearts, Jaja loves you. Forget, bless your hearts, Jaja loves you.